So here I have the metal bed frame from First Homes. This is the twin size frame. I was looking through all the frequently asked questions and I saw 3 that were being asked over and over. They were the setup time for the mattress. Second was, do you need a box spring with this mattress? And the third was, how much storage space do you get underneath it? So I'm gonna answer those all for you and hopefully help you out. So for the first question was, how long does it take to set up? So I've set up a bunch of these and done reviews on them, different brands and all that. This was one of the easiest ones I had to set up. It was like 30 minutes. I counted, there's only 16 bolts you have to put in. So this can be done in under an hour, I think, for anybody. And if you got 2 people, it's gonna be done, in 30 minutes or less. It was super, super easy to set up. And the second question was, do you need a box spring for this mattress? So you do not need a box spring. There's gonna be slats that go all the way through the metal bed frame. So you're gonna be able to rest your mattress right on there with no box spring. And I know some people like to know the distance between the slats. It's gonna be 7.5 inches. I went and measured them for you. So 7.5 inches between the slats, and do not need a box spring. And the third question was the storage space going on underneath. So I also measured this. From the bottom of it to the floor is gonna give you about 10 inches. So you can use, obviously you can store all the way through the bed frame, and you have about 10 inches in height to slide stuff underneath it. So overall, I think this is an awesome bed frame, good bang for your buck for like any kids' room, guest room. I think it'd be an awesome fit for that. And if you're looking for something that's easy to assemble, this was super easy. So overall, great product.